everyone and welcome to Housing. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of Assets Group newly launched premium plotted development that is with the code name Hideaway, which is located on IVC Road, Devanahalli, North Bangalore. And in this teaser we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting, let's check out the surrounding of this project. So as you can see, this is the main entrance of this development, and now this is the main road, that is the IVC road, and you can check the neighborhoods from here. Now, before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom date guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, well, where in Housey we connect you directly with developers. Because in Housey the listing is done directly by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now starting with the project overview, this project will be constructed on total 45 acres of land parcel, coming up with 650 plus plots. Now coming to the location part, this project is located on IVC Main Road in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. So as you have checked earlier, this is the IVC Main Road. On this side you can connect towards the International Airport, and over here you can connect to Doddaballapur. Now coming to the connectivity of this project, Aerospace Park is 20 minutes away from the project, with International Airport is 15 minutes away from the project, with Padukone Sports Academy also 15 minutes away from this project. Now coming to the amenities part, this project is coming up with 30 plus luxurious amenities like a swimming pool, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, in this project you will be getting 4 types of plots, that is the plot sizes are 1200 square feet, 1500 square feet to 2000 square feet, 2400 square feet super built up area. Now let me explain you the booking process. So project token window, that is the AOI window, is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will guide you about the exact location of the project and will show you the actual land parcel. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI, that is the token. So everyone, this was a teaser of the residential project, that is the plotted development, which is located on IVC Main Road, a project by Asset Group with the code name The Hideaway.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.